Hey everyone, welcome to Lisa Marvin Art. Let's do something different. I am doing a flip cup today with my Dutch pour ingredients and my bloom cell activator. So the white I put down first and then I'm going to layer throughout, like right there, is my Australian Floetrol and titanium white. And these colors are my Dutch pour recipe, which is US Floetrol, paint, and a bit of water. Flip cups are super fun because you never know what's going to happen. You have to make sure your paints are thick enough so they kind of hold up. And let's flip it over. This is the funnest part. So give it a minute, let all the paints kind of settle. Some people put a hole in the top to release the paints, but no time for that. Now you can see already the white has created some cells. Now you don't even need to use Australian Floetrol if you don't want to, because the density of the paints and metallics make cell anyways, but I just thought it would be fun. Now those huge cells that come up, don't get excited because they're just going to get bigger and get wonky. So the little cells are going to start to come up in the middle. You want to kind of make your composition first, and then you can hit it with your torch, and that will make all those little cells and air bubbles pop up, and that's what you're going to have fun with. For this one, so you can see kind of in the middle there, here's a little close-up, those cells are forming really cute. It's kind of giving like a cosmic vibe, I think. This one I decided I didn't want to tilt or anything. I just really liked the way it was. I like that color swash right in the middle with no cells compared to all the cells around it. So I just spun her out, and it's the same kind of thing. You spin until the paint doesn't move in the middle. And I just love the whimsy of this because you never know what's going to happen. So you can see all the white is almost spun off, which is what I'm looking for. And it does take a few minutes because you want to, still work on the composition and kind of hope that everything is going to turn okay. At the end of this video, I'm actually going to show you the resin result, which I'm going to put up for sale. I think it's so cool. And I think that the gold that I used, which is Deco Art 24 karat gold, really brings a really fun sparkle to it. So if you like sparkle, definitely get that. So here is the final result before resining, so it's still wet. And here is the resin result. I really love her. It's a little 10-incher. What do you think of flip cups? Have a good day.